friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu inside a heart for Valentine's Day, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So we're going to get started first by splitting the paper in half, and we'll get started with the heart. So we're going to draw a dot right on the top, and then we'll line this up as best as we can. If you'd like to use a ruler, you can as well. And just come down, leaving quite a big gap for the bottom of the heart. We're going to join these together now. So from the top on the left, we're going to curve this out, pulling this around and down on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, pulling this over, stretching that down. Let's round this out on the edge here. So starting back on this line, we're going to curve this over, pulling that in towards that dot in the center. Now let's close off the heart on the right-hand side. So from the center here, we're going to curve this up on a diagonal, connecting that together. Now let's draw in Pikachu's head. So we're going to frame the head first. We're going to come up on the left and we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in for the cheek. We'll line this up at the same height on the right-hand side, replicating that, pulling that back in. Now let's round out the shoulders here. So we're just going to curve this down towards the bottom of the heart. Let's continue to close off the side of the head. So from that corner, we're going to curve this out, pulling that back in towards the top. Do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Again, ending this at the same height. And now we're going to leave a gap for the ear. We're going to step up and we're going to curve this line across, pulling that down on the right. Let's frame in the ear. On the top, we're going to curve this up and over on a diagonal, replicating that on the left-hand side, pulling that out. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back around and in on the side. Now for the top of the ear, just curving that out, replicating that on the right-hand side. Now let's move down and add in the details in the face. So for the nose in the center, we're just going to curve this line across. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line joining in the center on both sides. And now we can just color in the nose black. Let's come down for the mouth. From the middle, curving this down and out, replicating that on the right. Now for the mouth, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, tucking this down, pulling that back up. And then we'll arch this tongue over to the right. Let's draw in Pikachu's eyes. So we're going to come up again on the left-hand side, drawing in a circle for that left eye. And then we'll line this up at the same height on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now on the top, slightly further over towards the inside corner, just drawing in another circle for the highlight. And then we'll just color in our eyes black. Now for the cheek, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting that from the bottom, pulling this around towards the top. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw on the tail behind. So we're going to come up and we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming across. We'll step up, replicating that. And then we'll bring this line out from the corner. Now moving up behind the ear, just another diagonal line coming all the way across towards the side of the heart. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu inside of a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.